Hello everyone! Many people asking me this tutorial in the comments. Now I did it and I will share with you a legit method, how you can get unlimited coins and cash in Township game. The method is so simple. You just need to follow few steps carefully and you will got your resources. It works on both device, Android and iOS too, so no need to worry about it. But before you start, make sure you have the latest version of Township game. Then if everything's okay, you ready for the first step. Open your mobile browser and type this website. Alright, now we are on the website main page. To start the process, type your Township username. Select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much resources do you want, and simply just tap the generate button. The generator started to add the resources to your account, so be patient. This may take some time, depend of your internet speed and your device hardware. After all it's done, you need to finish the last step. It's so easy to do. You just need to download 2 mobile applications from the list, run each for 30 seconds or register, sign up to complete the verification, and you got your coins and cash almost instantly. Okay, now everything's done. Open the Township game and boom, we got the coins and cash instantly. Now you can buy any item in Township for free. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will help to you guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.